The Fowler Blackface Mechanics Toolkit comes in a fitted case with caliper instructions, micrometer instructions, and warranty card. Includes an easy read 6-inch rule, graduated in 1/8, 1/16, 32nds, and 64ths. Also features a 0 to 1 inch vernier micrometer, which reads in 1/10,000th of an inch, has a spindle lock, carbide anvil and spindle, and ratchet thimble for accurate repetitive readings. Also includes a 6-inch dial caliper with black face and red high contrast hand for easy reading. Features drawers for external, internal, step, and depth measurements. Features a carriage lock and bezel lock screw for easy zeroing. All comes with a 1-year warranty. The Fowler Blackface Mechanics Toolkit.